Foam rolling your upper back is one of the best feeling mobility drills there is, and one of the most commonly botched. Here's how to do it so it actually restores extension instead of just making noise. Hours of sitting round your thoracic spine forward, and it slowly loses the ability to extend, to arch backward. The roller acts as a fulcrum. You extend your spine over it, one segment at a time, restoring the motion your desk takes away. Step 1. Sit on the floor and lie back over a foam roller placed horizontally across your mid-back, right at the bottom edge of your shoulder blades. Knees bent, feet flat, and keep your hips resting on the floor. Step 2. Interlace your hands behind your head to support your neck, and gently arch backward over the roller, letting your upper back extend around it. Take 2 to 3 seconds, then come back up. This is an extension, not a massage. You're bending over the roller, not rolling fast up and down. Step 3. Lift your hips just enough to shift the roller a couple of centimeters higher and extend again. Work your way up in small steps, from the bottom of the shoulder blades to about the top of them, 5 or 6 positions total. 3 mistakes to avoid. Don't take the roller down to your lower back. Your lumbar spine doesn't need this and won't thank you. Stay between the bottom of the shoulder blades and the shoulder line. Don't let your head hang back. Keep it supported in your hands. And don't just roll up and down fast. The benefit is in the slow, controlled extension over each segment. For dosing, about 5 slow extensions at each of 5 roller positions, 2 or 3 minutes total. The best time is right after your longest sitting block of the day. Want your stiff spots found and a routine built around them? Posture 12 does that in 2 minutes, free. Links in the description.